喂，咁而家講呢個 test 嘅嘢啦。咁首先咧就係講個 Adam Smith 嘅 Principle of Taxation 嘅。咁佢嗰4個就係呢一個 equity 啦，跟住之後 certainty， 仲有呢一個 economy 同埋 convenience。咁佢呢一個 equity 咧，佢同平時嗰隻搞呢一個 reduce inequality 嗰隻 test 係佢要求嘅 equity 係唔同嘅，因為你見到 Adam Smith 咧，佢講嗰個 equity 咧，佢係講緊個 test 咧係要每個人去交一個 fixed percentage of income 啦，咁即係佢係覺得 proportional test 先至係呢一個 equity 先至係公平。即係例如佢講嘅 proportional test， 或者例如佢講乜鬼standard test rate of 呢個 salary equality test 啦，咁但係你平時嗰啲咩 progressive 嘅話咧，咁佢就覺得唔公平咯，就係唔係佢講嘅公平。咁然後第二個就係講呢一個 certainty 咧，咁就係講緊佢嗰個 test system 係咪 well defined。Test system should be well defined， 同埋 announced publicly。咁佢點樣話啲咩例子個 test system 啫？咁 test system 就係例如佢有啲咩 well defined， 就係講緊可能佢個時間啦，你要交幾多稅啦，同埋你點樣去俾錢。跟住第三個咧 economy 咧就係講緊就呢個 administrative cost 咧就要細咯，即係佢盡量要細 relative to its yield。跟住然後 convenience 咧就係講緊time 同埋 method 咧 of test payment 係要 convenience for taxpayer。咁然後咧未講完就係講緊即係呢個講完 taxation 講完啦，咁但係下一個就講翻佢平時有 tax rate 講咩 ？tax rate 就係講緊呢一個 tax payment 啦，除翻呢個 taxable income。點解唔係淨係咁講 income 咧？因為佢好多國家都有呢一個allowance tax allowance 咧，有啲低過呢個免稅額唔使交稅。咁佢乘100% 啦，跟住就係 tax rate 啦。咁佢講嗰幾個 tax 咧，呢個就係 progressive tax 咧，就係嗰個 tax rate increase when income increase。咁佢幅圖咧就係呢一個，即係如果你用呢一個係 tax rate 同埋嗰個 income 嘅話 ，taxable income。咁佢嗰個咧就係咁樣。咁如果你佢個 axis 咧，呢一個 y axis 咧，如果佢係講緊 tax payment 嘅話咧，咁佢就會變成即係可能佢可以係咁樣，跟住可以係，總之佢可以係咁樣啦，跟住唔係喎呢個sorry 唔係，總之佢係要越多錢嘅，即係你越有錢，你就要越交得多，咁所以你嗰個要越嚟越多啦。你嗰個 tax rate 係要越嚟越多，可能咁樣你見到佢交越嚟越多，你越有錢你要交越嚟越多嘅。佢最主要點樣睇佢 tax rate 就係睇個 slope 咯，就係咁樣。越有錢交越嚟越多，咁你睇翻到時佢俾你個圖係咪咯？咁另外一個 proportion 我就唔使講啦，就係 tax rate 係一樣嘅。咁然後佢個 graph 咧就係，如果佢講呢一個 race 啦，同埋呢個 income 咧 ，taxable income， 佢嗰個 race 就係呢一個，即係佢個 percent 係一樣嘅。咁如果佢係講緊 tax payment 同埋呢一個 taxable income 嘅 graph 咧，佢就係咁樣嘅，即係你見到佢嗰條 slope 係一樣嘅，呢個 y 等於 mx 加 c 啊嘛，咁佢個 m 係一樣嘅嘛。跟住第三個就係嗰個 regressive 就係講緊呢個 tax rate 越少啊 ，when income increase。 咁佢嗰個 race 係咁樣啦，可以咁樣啦，或者咁樣啊嗰啲咁樣嗰啲鬼啦。咁啊即係講頭 progressive 嗰時又可以咁樣咁樣。咁呢一個 tax payment 同埋呢一個 taxable income 嘅 graph 咧，咁佢就會即係你見到佢你嗰個 slope 咧就係越嚟越少啊嘛，即係你講例如係咁樣啦，即係你見到佢越有錢咧就交個 tax rate 就越少嘅。咁呢個就係佢大概嘅 graph 啦。咁同埋講翻邊啲係 progressive， 邊啲係咩 regressive proportional 啦。咁嗰個 salary tax 啊 property tax 呢個就係 progressive 啦。咁 property tax 咧，咁我印象中好似就已經改翻做progressive 定乜鬼啦？定唔記得咗咁鬼啦？即係例如 sales tax 同埋 duties 呢一啲咧就係一定係 regressive 嘅。咁同埋有啲咩 indirect tax 同 direct tax 嗰啲咧，咁 indirect tax 就係個 tax payment 係可以 shift tax burden 可以 shift 俾其他人，direct tax 就唔可以，即係佢寫埋你個名嘅。咁如果咧你講緊即係講 property tax 咧，就係你一定要去你要去租屋先至要交啦。咁然後 rate 你就一定要交嘅。咁 rate 係 indirect tax 嚟嘅 ，property 係 direct tax 嚟嘅。咁問點解咧？呢個 introduce general sales tax 係 broaden tax rate？咁就係因為咧，所有嘅 goods 同 service 都會 will be taxed in general sales tax 咯。咁所以所有嘅 customer 都應該要 pay 咯。跟住就問點解？即係佢通常會問咩 introduce general sales tax 點解可以 stabilize 個 government revenue in times of economic downturn 咧？咁就係因為咧個 frustration 或者係嗰啲有啲變動咧 in consumption 係細過呢個 income 嘅。即係你就算你幾窮，你都要買嘢，你都要食嘢啊嘛。咁你就要交呢一個 general sales tax。但係如果你冇錢咧，你低過呢個免稅額，直接唔使交稅添啦。即係俾人炒嘅失業，仲點交稅？咁所以就話呢一個 general sales tax 佢係 based on 呢個 consumption， 然後咧佢就會跌得少過呢一個 income 嘅 revenue。咁所以就令到呢一個政府佢就會嘅 tax revenue 比較 stable 咯。咁同埋如果佢問你會唔會減稅咧，就會減呢一個 tax rate 咧，就會減少呢一個 revenue 咧，咁肯定就唔會啦。就你會話，因為咧你個減少稅，跟住之後咧就可以去減少呢個 tax rate，咁樣就可以去增加一個working incentive。即係如果你係講緊 profit 嘅話咧，就係講緊話佢一個investment incentive 咁佢就去投資多啲，或者係去做呢啲 business 嘅 incentive，去賺多啲錢，咁佢 investment expenditure 升，跟住呢個 working incentive 就係賺得多錢，咁就佢個 salary 又升咗，咁所以咧就 profit 升咗，或者 income 升咗，咁所以咧就令到可能就會令到 increase in percentage of 呢一個 profit 嘅 tax revenue。係大過呢一個 decrease in rate 嘅。